Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. Today's episode is about using social media. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will give many examples. I will give practice lines. You can listen and repeat. You can read along if you want. You can pause the video and practice. First, I will say what social media is. Social media is a place on the internet. People share ideas on social media. People share photos on social media. People share short videos on social media. People send messages on social media. People follow friends on social media. Social media can be fun. Social media can help you learn new things. Social media can help you meet new people. Social media can also cause problems. We will talk about safe use of social media. We will also learn useful phrases. Now I will give short words that you will hear a lot. Repeat after me. Like, share, comment, follow, post, message, friend, profile, feed, story, hashtag, tag, upload, download, privacy, account, username, password, notification, direct message, public, private, block, report. Pause and repeat any word you need. You can pause the video and repeat a group of words. Practice is good. Practice makes your speaking better. Next, I will show simple sentences. These sentences are for beginners. Repeat after me. I like this post. I will follow you. I sent a message. Please comment below. I shared your photo. I liked your video. I posted a new photo. My profile is public. My profile is private. Do not share my password. I will block a spam account. I will report a rude comment. Thank you for the like. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. Hi. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I love to learn English. I also love to teach English. I like travel. I like food. I like music. I like meeting new people. I want to make friends online. Please follow me for short lessons. I post a new video every week. I will share tips and practice sentences. I will answer friendly messages. I am happy to help. Nice to meet you. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Say the sentence out loud. Say it with a friend if you want. Say it twice or 3 times. Practice speaking slowly. Speak clearly. Speak with confidence. Now I will show an example conversation on a social media message. Read each line and repeat. Hi Ben. I like your lesson. Thank you. I am Maria. I am from Spain. I want to practice English. Can we be friends? Yes. I would like that. What is your level of English? I speak a little English. I can read more than I can speak. That is okay. We can practice together. What time is good for you? I am free in the evening. I can send short messages. I can send voice messages. I can send simple questions. That is very good. Thank you. See you soon. Pause here if you want. Repeat any line you like. Try to copy the tone. Try to copy the speed. Try to copy the simple words. Now I will give another example. This is a short post on social media. Read and repeat. Hello everyone. My name is Ben. I teach English. I will share a short tip every day. I will post a small video. I will post simple words. I will post simple sentences. If you want to practice, write a comment. I will read your comment. I will reply with an easy sentence. Let us learn together. Thank you. Now I will give an example of a polite comment under a post. Read and repeat. Nice post. Great photo. I like this idea. Thank you for sharing. This is helpful. I learned something new. Very good. Keep it up. Can you share more about this topic? I would like to know more. Now we will practice replying to a comment. Read and repeat. Thank you. I am glad you liked it. I will make more videos. Do you want a lesson on grammar? Do you want a lesson on vocabulary? Tell me in the comments. I will try to help. Have a nice day. Social media is also about safety and respect. These are simple rules. Always be polite. Do not use rude words. Do not share private information. Private information is your home address. Private information is your phone number. Private information is your password. Keep this safe. Do not give your password to anyone. If someone asks for your password, do not answer. If you get a mean message, you can block the person. You can also report the account. Stay safe. Here are simple safety sentences. Repeat after me. I will keep my password safe. I will not share my phone number. I will not share my address. I will not give personal details to strangers. If I see a rude message, I will block the person. If I see a fake profile, I will report it. I will be polite online. I will be kind. Now I will show some useful questions you can ask on social media. Repeat after me. Where are you from? What is your name? How old are you? What do you do? Do you study English? How long have you studied English? Can we practice together? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite food? Do you like music? Which music do you like? What time is good for you? Can you send a voice message? Can you write in simple English? You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. This is a helpful tip. Pause and speak out loud. Keep your voice clear. Use simple words. Do not be afraid to make a small mistake. That is normal. Practice often and your English will improve. Now I will give a set of short messages for chat. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. How about you? I am good. What are you doing? I am studying English. I am watching a short video. Do you want to practice now? Yes, I want to practice. I will send a sentence. Read it and reply. Great. Thank you. Now I will give an example of a story post. Read and repeat. Good morning. I am happy today. I am learning new words. Today I will try a simple conversation. I will practice with a friend. I will drink coffee. I will study for 30 minutes. I will speak slowly. I will do my best. Have a nice day. Next I will show how to use a hashtag. A hashtag is a word with a sign. We use it to find posts. Here are examples. Repeat after me. Hashtag English. Hashtag learn English. Hashtag speak English. Hashtag practice. Hashtag language. Hashtag study. Use a hashtag to make your post easy to find. Now a short lesson on profile and bio. The bio is a short text about you. It is on your profile. Use simple words in your bio. Read and repeat. Bio example 1. Teacher. From United States. I love English. I teach simple lessons. Bio example 2. Student. Learning English. I like music. I like travel. Bio example 3. Food lover. I share recipes. I speak English. Hello. Next we will practice writing a message to ask for a follow. Read and repeat. Hello. My name is Ben. I like your posts. Can we follow each other? I will follow you. Please follow me. I like your content. I want to learn more. Thank you. Now a practice for giving thanks for a follow. Read and repeat. Thank you for the follow. I am happy to meet you. I hope my posts help you. Please send a message if you want to practice. Have a great day. Now we will practice a short video script for your own social media. Read and repeat. Hello everyone. My name is Maria. I am learning English. Today I will say 3 simple sentences. First sentence. I like coffee. Second sentence. I speak slowly. Third sentence. I will practice every day. Thank you for watching. Please follow me. A small note on voice messages. When you send a voice message, speak slowly. Use short sentences. Say your name. Say where you are from. Say one idea. End with a friendly word. For example, hello. My name is Jose. I am from Mexico. I like football. I want to practice English. Thank you. Bye. Now we will practice polite replies to compliments. Read and repeat. Thank you. That is kind of you. I appreciate your words. I am happy you like it. I will keep trying. Now a short practice for asking for help. Read and repeat. Can you help me with a sentence? Can you correct my post? Can you tell me a better word? Thank you for your help. Now a short lesson on tone. Tone is how you sound. Be friendly. Be polite. Be clear. Smile when you speak in a video. A smile changes your voice. People feel welcome. Practice with a friend. Record a short clip. Listen and try again. Now we will do a long practice section. I will say a sentence. You will repeat. I will say another sentence. You will repeat. Ready. Hello, my name is Ben. I teach English online. I like to make short lessons. I will help you practice. I will give simple examples. I will give useful words. I will answer friendly messages. I like to meet new students. I am from the United States. I live in a small city. I like coffee and music. I like reading and walking. I also like to learn about other cultures. I will post a new video every week. I hope you will join me. Thank you for watching. Repeat each sentence out loud. Pause and try again. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now I will give a checklist for safe social media use. Repeat after me. Use a strong password. Use 2-factor authentication if possible. Do not share your password. Do not accept friend requests from strangers you do not know. Check privacy settings. Think before you post. Do not post personal details. Be kind in comments. Report bad behavior. Block rude users. Take screenshots if you need to report. Talk with a trusted adult if you feel unsafe. Now some phrases for learning with friends. Repeat after me. Let us practice daily. Can you send a voice message? Can we chat for 10 minutes? I can meet online tonight. I can practice vocabulary with you. We can share a short text. We can correct each other. We can give gentle feedback. Thank you for your help. Now a practice for a polite disagreement. Repeat after me, I see your point. I understand. I have a different view. I like to share another idea. Let us be respectful. Thank you for the conversation. Now we will practice a small role play. I will be student 1. You will be student 2. I will say a line. You will reply. Ready. Hello. I am Alex. I am learning English. Nice to meet you, Alex. I am Ben. I can help you practice. Thank you, Ben. How can we practice? We can write short messages. We can do voice messages. We can correct each other. That sounds good. When can we start? Tonight at 8 is good for me. I will see you then. Goodbye. See you tonight. Good job. You can pause the video and repeat the role play again. Practice with a friend if you can. Now I will give you homework. This is simple and useful. Homework 1. Write a short bio with 3 sentences. Homework 2. Post a short greeting. Homework 3. Send a polite message to a friend. Homework 4. Try a short voice message. Homework 5. Change your privacy settings and check your password. Do these tasks slowly. Practice is more important than speed. Before we finish, I will give some final tips. Tip 1. Practice a little every day. 10 minutes is great. Tip 2. Use simple sentences. Short sentences are easier. Tip 3. Repeat new words out loud. Tip 4. Find a partner to practice with. Tip 5. Be kind and safe online. Thank you for listening. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.